Welcome! This video will show you how to use the Wisenet mobile application for devices. The Wisenet mobile application is designed to provide real-time monitoring of your Wisenet devices on the go for easy remote management. The new application dramatically improves various functions such as video processing performance, fish ID warping, picture-in-picture viewing, and the My Channel list. Downloads are available for both iOS and Android devices from their application stores. Simply search for the Wisenet Mobile by Hanwha Techwin to find the application. Once the application is installed, select the icon to open it. Select this button to register devices. There are 3 different methods to register devices. If you have a device with a QR code, you can simply scan it and type in your device ID and password. If your mobile device is on the same network as your Wisenet device, you can search for the device in the application. If your device is using a static IP address or the Wisenet DDNS service, enter the credentials. After registering the device on your smartphone, select the Live Monitoring button to see the live monitoring area. Select the channels you want to view and tap this button. You can expand the channels and layouts for 1, 4, 9, or 16 channels on one screen. When you double-click a single channel icon, you can then see the single channel full screen, where it will show different icons according to the camera's features. If the camera's a PTZ icon, the controls are shown, and you can change the view angle by sliding your finger on the screen or touching the direction icons on the bottom of the screen. Fisheye cameras can be de-warped into quad and panoramic images. You can pinch and zoom or double tap on individual quadrants to move around. The playback button lets you view recorded video. This includes the picture-in-picture feature that lets you view live and playback at the same time. To manage specific channels, you can create a channel list by clicking the My Channel button. To create a new list, tap this button and then type in the name of the channel and select the channels you want to view and tap the OK button. To search the channel list, you can tap this button. Then type in the name that you want to find, and you can scroll here and double-click to watch a channel that you choose. You can also add, delete, and edit the list or the channels here. In case of deleting some of the channels, select the channels and then click the trash bin icon. In playback, you can view the calendar and view a list of video, including various analytic and motion records. You can easily bookmark records to come back to it easily later on. You can adjust the timeline by sliding to the side or pinch and zoom to zoom in and out of the color-coded timeline. The settings page lets you manage the application. You can set an application password and have the option to use your device's biometric features. This is highly recommended. This feature here dramatically improves playback and live monitoring performance, especially at higher picture quality. You can set the live screen view for when you start the application. To download the application from your App Store, scan this QR code here.
To learn more about this and other exciting Hanwha products, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at hanwhasecurity.com.